F850GS Adventure Rallye not only feels confident on asphalt, it is also at home off-road. The off-road tires and Ride Modes Pro with Dynamic ESA help with agility. Shift Assistant Pro gives you control in unexpected situations. The adjustable footbrake lever and gearshift lever provide a secure grip. Headlight and engine guards provide the bike with outstanding protection, even when the going gets tough. Equipped for adventure right out of the factory, the F850GS Adventure is robust, uncompromising, and ready for the most difficult challenges. With its diverse factory equipment and additional BMW Motorrad accessories, you can adapt this bike according to your needs. Take inspiration from our 2 suggestions or configure your very own F850GS Adventure. Comfort turn indicator can be switched off in the menu of the instrument cluster. RDC available worldwide, all vehicles with keyless ride. RDC only with keyless ride, RDC-Function in keyless ride control unit integrated, second wheel set possible. M Endurance chain is content of comfort package, not for BR. New, GS Trophy in gravity blue metallic with windshield tour, footrests Enduro, navigation preparation and more. Racing blue metallic no longer available. GS Trophy gravity blue metallic replaces racing blue metallic. Includes tour windshield, Enduro footrests, and navigation prep. Style triple black with black storm metallic 2 remains unchanged. Racing red remains unchanged. RDC real-time gradient tire pressure monitoring added. Comfort turn indicator can be switched off in the menu for the instrument cluster. All US F850GS models automatically add Premium Package. ZPP Premium Package, LED headlight, Gear Shift Assist Pro, Ride Modes Pro, heated grips, luggage rack with case holders, keyless ride, TPM tire pressure monitor, MSR dynamic engine brake control, Dynamic ESA, not available with low suspension. Individual options, low suspension, center stand, M Endurance chain, off-road tires, cruise control, comfort seat, extra low seat, touring package, GPS prep, cruise control. US MSRP price, $13,595 US. Canada MSRP price, $16,745 CDN. Europe/UK MSRP price, from £11,750 sterling, total selling price. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.